is Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. On this day I am stripping my husband's uniforms. I had originally planned to be uploading some videos for outside, cleaning out my car, but it has stormed all week, so I wasn't able to get that done. But my husband asked me if I would strip his uniforms, so I thought I would film that for you guys and show you how nasty they are, and when they're done, how clean they actually come. I use a cup of Tide powder, a cup of borax, and a cup of laundry baking soda with some scalding hot water. I will put in there and just mix it all up very well, and then get his uniforms submerged completely into the water. And this is just from putting them in there, and that's how disgusting they are. My husband is a mechanic, so his uniforms get pretty nasty, and I will come in every hour and give them a stir, and then I will pull them out and wash them. But in this video I do have a small grocery haul. I had to go pick up a few things over the weekend, and I will be doing a dinner recipe as well in this video. The first clip, all that stirring I was doing was where I was coming back in and stirring the stuff up, but this is what it looks like afterwards, and the tub was disgusting. I will be cleaning that as well. Just all the dirt and grime and oil that comes out, and then I'm just going to toss them in the washer, and I'm only going to put them on a spin just so I can get all that excess water out of there before I actually get them washing. And then when this is done spinning, I will go in with my laundry Lysol and some OxiClean laundry soap, and I will put that on a deep wash, and it will wash for about an hour and a half, and then I will come back and put them in the dryer. And then that's where you guys will see how clean they actually came. They're not going to be like super clean or nothing, but they do come a lot cleaner, and they don't smell as bad. So right now I'm just going to wash out my tub because that is just so gross. So I'm just going to get that scrubbed out really well, and I need to go in and do the recocking around my shower. That just needs recocking. It is not mold. Okay, just ignore my laundry room. It needs to be redone. I am showing you guys some of his stuff that I just pulled out of the washer. That shirt was really greasy and nasty when I put it in the tub, and I'm going to show one of his uniform shirt, the one I had showed you that had a bunch of grease and everything on it. With stripping them, it gets it all out, pretty much gets it all out, and then I will just put it all on a deep wash and let it deep wash for like an hour, and they come clean and they smell better and they look better. And I try to do this at least once a week, because if I don't at least do it once a week, my closet and bedroom will start. So I did a small grocery haul. I went to Target, and they had chicken $3 off. I got 2 packs of legs, and then they had these. I got a lot of chicken. This is actually for dinner tonight. I'll be preparing that soon. I got some hamburger meat, some veggies, cereal. These are new. They were ringing up $1.95 for this box, so I grabbed a few of those for the kids for breakfast. But this was just some of the stuff I needed. So all of the chicken, I got those at Target. They were on sale. Well, they had a $3 off coupon on them, and which saved me a lot of money doing it that way. It was the first time I ever got meat from Target. I will be going back, especially when they have these promotional deals. So now I'm just going to get them all separated and use my vacuum sealer. And the corn, I bought a big bag of corn. I got that from Walmart. And those breakfast, little cup breakfast, you just add an egg and microwave it and go. I found those at Walmart last night, and they were ringing up $1.98. So I grabbed a few boxes because it was something easy for the kids, and they like that kind of stuff. So I grabbed those for them. So now I'm just going to get my chicken vacuum sealed and get those put in the freezer. And my big bag of corn, I will divide that up as well and vacuum seal it down and pop those in the freezer. And my beef I got from Sam's Club. I only get my beef from Sam's Club. They have a better quality of beef out there, so I get my beef there. And when I do my grocery shopping, I do go to several grocery stores and hit up certain different deals that they have. So on the chicken, they were $6, but with the $3 off, made them $3 a pack. So for 2 packs for $6, I was able to get 3 meals out of the chicken. And then the corn, I was able to get 8 meals out of that for the sides, and I paid like $5.48 for that big bag of corn, and I was able to get 8 side meals out of it. So now I'm just going to disinfect my counter and my vacuum sealer before I start on the corn. So now I'm getting dinner started. I'm going to melt some butter with about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and pop that in the microwave to melt it all together. Get the potatoes peeled, and I'm going to get those chopped up, and I'm just going to lay the potatoes around the chicken right along with my green beans and onions. And I'm just going to salt and pepper the chicken. Normally I put the chicken on the grill. I normally do a beer can chicken, but since it's been rainy and nasty outside, I'm just going to cook it in the oven today. But I'm just going to salt and pepper the chicken really well, and then I'm going to rub the butter garlic all over the chicken, and I'm also going to put some of that butter garlic on the inside of the cavity of the chicken with some onions. And then I'm going to let it cook about 300 for about 2 hours until well done. When you guys see me walk away about 100 times, I am washing my hands before I start grabbing at anything else, just because I don't want to transfer any of that nastiness from the chicken to my seasonings and everything. So, and it was kind of hard to get that part edited out, just running back and forth to the sink to wash my hands. But I've been wash my hands about 100 times during this cooking process. And I do cook with a lot of onions and a lot of garlic. So that's usually my go-to, because the garlic just gives everything a really good flavor, as well as the onions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And when you hit the bell notification button, it'll let you know every time I upload a new video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday, and I will talk to you guys next week. And I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your week and your weekend.